Want to create better marketing content, generate more ideas, and save hours every week? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for marketing, from planning campaigns and writing content to researching audiences and improving your overall strategy. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click New Chat to begin your marketing project. Before asking ChatGPT for help, clearly describe your objective. Mention your business, your target audience, the product or service you're promoting, and the outcome you want to achieve. The more context you provide, the more useful the response will be. ChatGPT can quickly generate marketing content for different platforms. You can ask it to write blog posts, email newsletters, social media captions, product descriptions, video scripts, landing page copy, or advertising headlines. You can also request multiple versions to compare different approaches. If you're planning a campaign, ask ChatGPT to brainstorm creative ideas. It can suggest campaign themes, promotional offers, content calendars, seasonal marketing ideas, and customer engagement strategies. These suggestions can help you overcome creative blocks and plan faster. ChatGPT can also help with search engine optimization by suggesting article topics, content outlines, title ideas, frequently asked questions, and keyword variations. While it's helpful for planning, it's still important to verify keywords and search trends with dedicated SEO tools. Once you have a draft, ask ChatGPT to improve it. You can request a more professional tone, a friendlier style, stronger calls to action, or shorter paragraphs. Continue refining the content until it matches your brand and audience. Before publishing your marketing content, review everything carefully. Double-check product details, pricing, links, and factual information. Make sure the final message reflects your brand voice and meets the goals of your campaign. And that's how to use ChatGPT for marketing. Whether you're creating content, planning campaigns, or improving your messaging, ChatGPT can help you work more efficiently while giving you more time to focus on growing your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and thanks for watching.